Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find someone's social media account by phone number. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to click on this search, and you need to search for your friend number like this. And if your friend used that number onto the Facebook, you get his or her account. And for Instagram, open Instagram and click on your profile picture in the right bottom, and click on three bars on the top right, and here you need to search for the contacts. Let me search again, contacts. Okay, and here you can see your contact info, but I want to, let me close this, upload contacts. So click here and select your Instagram account, and here you can see that connect contacts. So now your contacts will be uploaded, and you can find them on to the Instagram with their contact number. So click here and find here by their contact number. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.